Okay, so I just bought this new office chair mat from Kuyal on Amazon, and it comes in a box that says do not bend. This particular size is 46 by 55, and what I like about this company is it comes already intact. There's nothing that's got to be ironed out or set out in the sun. Here's the one I'm replacing that has split. It is not from that same brand. It was about half the price. It still didn't quite get all of the wrinkles out of it. It's been in my office for probably 6 or 8 months, which is probably the shortest lifespan I've had on it. I bought one of these for my son, and it came in a box just like this. He's had no issues, but the second thing that I did was I upgraded all of his chair wheels with these inline skate wheels, which is what I'm going to do for my office chair as well. So I believe once I do that, we will have less of the hard plastic wheels poking holes in this stuff. So check this out. It comes ready to go. Nothing that needs to be done. So stop wasting your money on the cheap stuff. Get one that's in a little bit better quality, and yeah, upgrade your wheels too. This goes a long way in helping them last longer. Thanks for watching.